Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today's Monday, October 25th, 2021. It is 6:58 and 6 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, healthy lungs. So let's hop to it here. Healthy muscles are a carrot on a string for healthy lungs. Date December 2nd, 2020. Source, Osaka City University. The scientists show effectiveness in carrot-based Japanese herbal medicine called Ninjin Yoito in improving muscle atrophy in the hind legs of mice exposed to cigarette smoke, positioning the medicine as a potential treatment for sarcopenia frailty, related complications with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic pulmonary disease is a lung disease caused by long-term inhalation of harmful gases, such as cigarette smoke. The scientists have recognized deterioration of muscle tissue, known as secondary effect of damaged lungs, and this frailty makes it difficult for individuals to move around and exercise, which in turn worsens the state of their lungs, causing an endless downward spiral in overall health. Exercise therapy is the only established treatment for the skeletal muscle complications of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. However, depending on the severity of sarcopenia frailty in the patient, such treatment may not be possible, and this imbalance has become an urgent issue to address. Ninjin Yoito is a carrot-based Japanese herbal medicine commonly given to people recovering from anorexia and physical weakness after illness or surgery for its supplementary effect restoring physical strength. Also, the medicine has been seen to improve muscle mass loss in aging mice through the activation of PGC-1A, a protein involved in improving muscle function. Based on this, researchers hypothesized Ninjin Yoito enhances PGC-1A expression in skeletal muscle. It may improve muscle complications associated with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The research group is testing the hypothesis by including Ninjin Yoito in a diet of mice who had been exposed to cigarette smoke for 12 weeks. The research team measured the lower leg muscle mass of the smoke-exposed group of mice with micro-CT and noticed they had atrophied like human chronic obstructive pulmonary disease patients. However, researchers saw no change in muscle mass with the experimental group of mice, suggesting that the addition of the carrot-rich medicine cancels out the effects of sarcopenia frailty. Researchers believe that this is a useful finding, and that Ninjin Yoito may break the vicious circle of sarcopenia frailty and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease patients. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.